Good morning. Good morning, Kieran.
Indeed.
How are you?
I'm pretty good.
Where are we today, Kieran?
Well, I know a little better today that not your average bikes.
We are here once again at Not Your Average Bikes
Osset.
in Osset, near
Yes.
Wakefield. We were here the other day. You will no doubt have seen the video on that, and we had a little look around the showroom, which goes on further into the distance there. But we were chatting to the guys here at Not Your Average Bikes, and
Project.
yes, they have very, very kindly provided
Very
us
good.
with a project to work on in their workshop. So let's go and have a look at that now. Tell us what we have, Kieran.
This, my friends, is a 1980s, or was, still from that era, but a Yamaha XS250. It has already been sort of customised in a, take it or leave it kind of style, but not to the highest of standards, which is not what we're known for anyway. But this is opportunity knocking, and we just got to see if we can sort this out a bit and make it better.
Okay, so at the beginning of this project, we will have a look at what we've got already. We have the 1980s Yamaha XS250, not original, does have the original clocks it seems, and the switch gear on some kind of crazy flat bars. We've got a very jazzy tank.
Grandma's dollies.
Yeah, we've got quite a jazzy seat, some fairly jazzy shocks, a Mr. T chain, and various other bits and bobs. As Kieran mentioned, it has already been quite heavily customised, and we've been given free rein on this bike, more or less. I think the idea is that we do something a little bit more accessible, perhaps, to the average person, or perhaps something a little bit more crazy, where we're yet to decide which way to go. But mechanically, it runs. It does have an oil leak, so we're going to have to sort that out. The brakes are entirely non-functional at the moment. There's nothing happening there. The frame is hand-painted, as are the clocks and some of the other bits and bobs. So there's some detailing work to do. The tyres are older than I am, and some
At
of
least
the
45.
I'm not that old, cheeky monkey. And we're going to tear it down. We're going to have a look at it and see what we can come up with. We need a plan then, don't we? Do we have a plan?
Absolutely not.
No, we don't have a plan at the moment. I think the general idea is that we are going to be coming here to Not Your Average Bikes on a regular basis and working on this bike in their workshop with all their tools and all their knowledge, which is going to be quite a nice experience, I think.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So yeah, we'll be coming quite regularly to do this, and we'll be doing the videos as we go and uploading them along the way. First things first then, let's get it in the workshop. Shall we crack on then?
Crack on.
Progress has been made, as you can see. Bits are starting to come off. Kieran's just
By
making
our
a
hand.
note of all the things that we've broken so far.
I might need another pad.
Yeah, it's 39 years old. Things are a little bit brittle, plastics mainly. The wiring loom's shot.
Well, it's a bit of a It's not even our territory of bodge jobbery.
I tell you what though, I don't know what you're finding, Kieran.
Scissor busy.
It's interesting working on somebody else's bike in somebody else's workshop because you don't know where any of the tools are.
For now.
I would say we're taking a little bit more care in what we're doing.
Labeling stuff. We don't label stuff.
But it's good fun nonetheless.
It's good, yeah. And it's warm.
Yeah, let's do some more then. So this is where we're at. Most of the stuff's off. We are looking at taking the engine out soon, but I think for today we're going to stop on this bike and start on a different one. What's this one then?
This one is a blue scooter.
The Honda Blue.
Honda Blue one.
What are we doing with it?
Well, by all accounts, the rear brake, I believe, was a bit sticky, and it's got mud on it.
Okay, let's go. So we've just finished up on the scooter, and we've fixed the rear brake on that. We're just heading off, just grabbing a few photographs, but this is where we're leaving this bike for today.
Yes.
I think that's a good day's work, considering it's not our bike and we didn't know where anything was.
Learn as you go.
Yeah, so we're ready to take the engine out and all the rest of the gubbins off next time we come, which will be coming soon, hopefully. See you next time.
Ta-ra.